Boss. KB, yo. Hey, KB, aka Kubeboga. And a true Gatisano. Obetting for chiefly a crack or landing. KB Sika Wanyan. If we agree, we are Juma, the bank of Juma say. Shall see a tunto, Kube, who is she, and what was it? Say, oh.
Abuzianfo yamama ha mama kwa bebra so mamuni ya maudo biso nsamo yababo no wo Sompa television so ewie ye bana ye de ba besomo ye ka mo se kase free Sompa television so no ebebu mfumpa na atwa pesa dada no wa yatia akofa Sompa 98.9 FM so ewo bono ani afumantem no mo sa wo asantemantem mu a aha Sompa 93.1 FM na bono east say ye techimane say nkransa say ye kintampo Sompa 90.7 FM so no ekuta yemu nsam no a eso ye wie ni doso na poso enie afia bato na ye kwakoto no krobia sante kotoko hene opem so say tutu otoso bie no akasa ede afa ho
Fair Wages and Salaries Commission adia basa chachofo kabomo ko strike won mo koye no enam emra kwanso
na achachefo kro no adia tudwa se ye no mo kase achachefo bebro mpempem ne etire na laptops wa ye se achechema achachefo no monsanka bie ede na esi wo ho ye bekoni akwakode nkoma wie
awa paw NPP amanyoko no campaign team awo fifi mantamu a won so behwe aboda wu ho
se de Sompa FM nsantwefo pensmadu kataro nantie betimi de yensedu asie kokoso se ejuso by election no se bibia totomu a lawyer Kwesi Nyantachi a na oye GFA president obekọ no akwakopra konya ne bi
Yera John Jinapo adebisa ECG mpanyufo se Anesa dum so amaya adai anankane no eyesa
ya no me se de yesi yen hye sapomu nso na afi kura de se dum so no ye de wohoro ye mpredwa ye na afi aye kwakọ wuram no 2025 de ne ye beba no ye ntimi kuro yi mu
sane ye ba ne yenso na sempo yenso aye nom de dwade ye betumi agina so no Ghana Water Company Limited won masase a wo bokokodi
abuzia we ni afoforo pinu an ya kekese ne se kase a ba bia wo bia na wi yi ye bana ye de ababesomo asida piesie yemfa emanyuma ekoi
aya cloud internet open internet papa abusia one channel abanya be free tabeta clinic one mo so aka ho bi after 21st clinic ni was the sciatica expert and one mo emrane mizo and 5G drink and so atayechi Dr. Abe wa watano so apatapa new site one mo and a 3 herbal center what 3 core capsules ko komasete drono and so adiabeka ho ya double live and area bray our Facebook ho aya Sompa 93.1 YouTube aya Sompa TV afen sam nyina da wo pebi no wakenkan a wobekọ www.sompaonline.com kwa obenya bi na wakenkan anaria asomfomie no ya tena se bekenkan semi akosuya ajewa kwade boaten animedin mene
nana ya bo amali bi aboga
afenje brana sam no yenchechi mu fama
abzanfo ye sase e de free abato akomisa no mo atena ye ayiro so paso said dey afi ye beto aba December bosomne de to sonson ene etwedi amponyankrompon ya dom na ketrema da abudwe mogedie mafusane yantiati nkabone bia ne senumpe etwetwa numpe so a ye nyina ye behwe kokromuti ho ene ye hwiata na yakwa akoto santere wandogodogo lai ene adwe mempra koso ye megele ne yakwa akoto aba akwa imampani a mfie na ye we yenim no obaye nhyesia ma minor for ntuma papa bi efra na fiem na sebegafo so a won betena na sebege fiem aye ye ni nonu asemra ama Ghana menu mienu Ghana afa ne ya pese ne na digidon papa bi ede efra na abato no a eba so no ena crop ya sante kotoko hene opem so 82 otoso mienu danso a danso ɛde ɛyɛ efutuo kɔma abato kɔmisa ne mpanimfoɔ sɛ afia abato no wɔbɛsrɛ wɔn mu ada sɛ ne ɔma yɛ no a wɔn emu nda hɔnom wɔn ntotoyɛ wɔn bibi a wɔn yɛ bia no wɔn ɛma awia emom na pɛpɛpɛ yɛ soso ɛnyɛ adwuma yɛ bɔbɔ yɛn ho akɔto aba no ada na yɛ to aba no yɛato aba na awia wɔn ɛbɛbɔ aba no nyinaa no wɔn hɔ sɛ wɔn bɛma awia bɔ mu a afa ne afa nyinaa obi abɛte ne ho ase nti kɔbasa no a wɔyɛ ano edi first ya na ohun sɛ wɔdi first ya efini kekawa bia ne ho wɔyɛ aso so wi a na wɔhun sɛ wɔre femfra mu a ɛnyɛ sɛ bia obi ɛna kɔsɛ baabi kɔtwetwe nneɛma bi kɔtete obi deɛ so de kɔso so obi adeɛ bi so bia ni wɔyɛ ayamra na dwumadie kɛseɛ bi kɔso ɔkwame nkromasi apɔmo ya na ɔpem so akɔ ɛdina ne mu nyamo kɔ akɔta akyire ɔno de afutuo ɛkɔm abato kɔmisa ne mpanimfoɔ safia ba no ɔmo ɛhwɛ sɛ pɛpɛpɛ yɔ ɛbɛyɛ adwuma paa.
Ghana, our dear nation, should reaffirm its commitment to democratic principles as we prepare to navigate the electoral process once more. Sure. As the campaign temperature gains momentum, it is incumbent on all stakeholders, particularly the political parties and their teeming supporters, to uphold the sanctity of discourse and refrain from the propagation of divisive rhetoric and incendiary language. The Electoral Commission must also ensure fairness and be seen to be an impartial arbiter in the electoral process. Sure. Our collective aspiration must be to foster an environment of mutual respect and constructive dialogue. Sure. In priding ourselves as a democratic nation, I urge all to unite in our resolve to safeguard the integrity of our established democratic institutions and uphold the noble ideals upon which our nation stands. Let us once again show the world that we are indeed a democratic nation. It is my hope that for once, the political campaign will focus on how to productively engage the youth to drive the economy.
Observe nti weyi eye kwame nkromasi apon no dwumadie kese ekoso na krobia sante kotoko hene de afutuo ekoma abato komisa na mpanimfo
Fair Wages and Salaries Commission one ye ntem gina for dem aban ene aban nmeku ahoto a ewo mamu fa no won makatuamu ensensem ho na ekuyi ade aba monte so akire mu se achochofo nka bo ko miensa na sentem atuate a won matie nam so nti a wo mo nkwa classroom enkonkwa kira de ne yade a wo mo ebonyo sokora wase ye hu yei se ko ba se adwumako bia won be ko strike na efa kese no aya na mpempinu ano efa won makatua ne yade ho a aya na wo mo Fair Wages and Salaries Commission and the National Labour Commission for man near Momodo Moso. Now, sir, watching a bibi or hormone and a motubia. One more two and my year at me at all. Now, where the end of the derby, I never say no more quarter year. Yes, sir, church for Kamukomi and sir, one more strike it. Ya not in a nagrate, one more so can be. And I'm sorry, Sunti, one more say, the Omoya and Chayokra, and Namra Quasoya, which Nebino, one more sacra, one margining. Commission no chief executive officer. Ayora Benjamin Arthur wano and Sompa sitting Koma Wachon Semu editracy.
Teachers, whatever their grievance above the laws of this, do you think that we should have a country where our teachers do not respect the laws of this country? What type of country do you want to live in? What do you want to teach our kids? Where you have gone on strike with a reverend minister leading it, at the end of the day, you have failed to comply with the labor laws of this. You've declared the strike, but there are procedures. There are provisions as to what must happen before you can really embark on a strike. You failed to notify the employer. Wages was not in the known. What was statutory of you notifying the National Labour Commission was also not done. And then all of a sudden, we are ambushed. Everybody is surprised. Now the question is, if in the private sector, if tomorrow, unknown to the employer, unknown to National Labour Commission, unknown to relevant stakeholders, all the staff in this place will decide that we will not inform anybody, will not do anything for anybody to know that we are just laying our tools down. How do we govern this country? So no matter your grievance, everybody has a grievance of the other type, one type or another. But for you to wake up and say that even when you have been asked to go back to the classroom, you are not going to comply with an institution where you yourself have representatives. The National Labour Commission is a tripartite entity. Organized labor has equal number of representatives. Employers Association have 2. Organized labor have 2. And government has 2. And the rest, put themselves together to elect a chairperson. So this is the Labour Commission that you even have reps there. Are you going to tell us that even the reps that you sent there are not capable? Is that what we want to tell ourselves?
I was on your turn and care fair wages and salaries commission. Panya control for ya what no you Benjamin Arthur.
For na no see ya na penny kwanchefo wada Ghana National Association of Teachers Twenitia e friend Senatia no Reverend Isaac Usu esoso eba be ya no se echiatia no achechirefo wo mu no enye se bia omo ho nete wu num eno mpeso mo tie tua anase bia tan eno mo tai MPP abaya mampeni na nado danko akufo ado ene na bedi echiri Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamia da no ne mo nsamo mo kan nyina eye nsamo a efa teacher fo mu ye yo o masetenum ene o mabrabo mu o si achechefo mpempem ene ne yatetu o musika si e kwa to laptops dia brewu num e ka pre my laptops no ama sika no so ama ntia no wo ntimi nkobusa ho asem na wo madwuma mo ye kwasi bone ka bebi se condition of service ya wo mo ebe gina so dia hwe chechire ni eno so ho asem besi ne empenimfo nka ma ni mfiri ho no mo enti saa ne ma we nyina no so mo ka so mo busa ho asem na se fair wages and salaries commission empenimfo eko gina bebi so mo de ya politics ya no mo achechefo no mo dwene ho a wo mo entia se Reverend Isaac Usu president ya wada Ghana National Association of Teachers ano.
The Fair Wages and Salary Commission, the unions have raised 5 solid issues, and each of the issues are very, very, very important and dear to the teacher we are representing. The issue concerning the laptop, the contract says that within 12 calendar months from January 2021 to December 2021, the supplier should have finished the distribution. And we are in 2024. More than 100,000 teachers have not received the laptop. And what is engineer talking about? The collective agreement. Look, before the 2021 that we signed, we were having 2009 collective agreement. And we used a travel from 2009 to the year 2020. I want engineer to understand that. Yes, you are under the Ministry of Labour, Employment and but you are not the employer of the teacher. The law says that if you want to go on industrial action, you should notify the employer letter. In those 2 letters, the Labour Commission was duly not answered. And you are there saying that a rebel minister is leading teachers to go on illegal strike. No, the teachers of today are not the teachers of yesterday. The teachers of today are demanding results from the leaders. Any ill motive, we don't have any, nobody is behind us. The issues we have raised. Is engineer telling us that he's not aware and he has not heard, and he himself read the letter that was signed by the Great Teacher Union for our inability to attend the Friday meeting. So that doesn't mean that we don't know what we are doing, and we are litigant, and we are happy breaking the law. We have not breaking any law. Since Wednesday that we declared the strike, there have been letters in the public domain coming from several quarters. As we speak, tomorrow the Labour Commission has someone. The Labour Commission has someone else on the same subject. What do you expect us to do?
I was going to wear a penny concha for wada a teacher for Ghana National Association of Teachers no Reverend Isaac Usu and Yetene King.
NPP amanyoko no gwa ho boa so se breaking the 8 ne betumi abemu ama wo no mafia bato a ya bato mu na ene wo konfifi mantemu a wo manam so apa campaign team members a wo na eba ba hwe na wo ma komonten so akoka asempa no ade ato Ganafo akoma so ye pa ene ise wo hwemo pa no ama be Cynthia Morrison mrasoro jone ye wo gina wo de ma de hye wo agona West abato mpeso so ye Justin Frimpon kodua ya wo no aya chochofo panyi adema amanyoko no ene mpanyifo pinu a ana na won mo aka ho bia won mo koye akwa asem hyehye no ebetumi awiem die na anam so amamra sebadwone a wogina odema amafo a ewo afutu abato mpeso so no akoye a eye majority leader ya wo mayim no ahye bedwafie yura Alexander Afenyomakin wogina asempie so ekasai akro se samanyoko no betumi abreki 8 no a genkabom na de ama CPP amanyoko na ntumi anyina so nyina no aya menteme wase penche ya na we ya be ya no na wo so abeka ne de wo se sa de no emu ama amanyoko entumi enkonkan
Say you will pass in a illusion of what on the chat football. Passing through to the CPP because they are what man. But you are I now I will should be good and to that because you cannot. And this is someone running it for the central.